Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Alistair Gray here, and today I'm super excited to jump in to a topic based on how to make decisions you won't regret later. Now, here's a spoiler alert. The thing is about decisions is I actually don't believe that decisions are such a thing. Now, before you switch off, let me explain what I mean to you. You see, decisions feel like we've got to make a choice in a moment, one way or the other. And quite often we place so much pressure on ourselves to make that decision. Can anyone relate to that, where you felt so much pressure to make a decision one way or the other? But often in that moment, we're uncertain. Often we're unsure about what path to take. Now, here's the thing. When we tune in to our intuition, our inner wisdom, our gut, whatever you wish to call it, source energy, innate intelligence, when we tune into that deeper part of ourselves, there is a knowing that we have. You know, you've all experienced this. Think about the moment in life when you just knew you were to go on that trip, or the moment in life when you met your partner and you just knew they were the one for you, or the moment where you made a decision that was going to take your life in a different direction and it didn't make sense to anyone else, but it made sense to you. You know, that's that inner knowing that I'm talking about. It's our intuition, our wisdom, our gut feeling. Now, when we tune into that place, decisions suddenly become not a thing. Decisions suddenly dissipate. And instead, it's replaced by an inner knowing of what path to follow. And it feels a very natural thing. It doesn't feel like a decision, it just feels like the natural flow of life is taking you with it. Does that make sense? Now, when I try and teach this concept, some people think I'm crazy. What do you mean there's no decisions to be made? There's always decisions to be made. But the truth is, when we tune in, get silent, and slow down, you begin to realize that there is no decision to make. There's simply a path to follow that your soul, that your intuition is guiding you to take. So, how do we tune into this? Well, like I said, it's a difficult one to teach, but I was taught an incredible method by the great Michael Neill, one of my friends and a fellow coach, who shared this really simple exercise that enables you to tap in to your intuition in any moment. And the exercise was, I know, full stop, and I don't know, full stop. Now let me elaborate. Michael said that whenever you find yourself feeling the need to make a decision, whenever you find yourself placing pressure on yourself to make a decision, simply stop, pause, slow down, and ask yourself, I know and I don't know. For instance, I know I'm to purchase this item. I don't know if I'm supposed to move in with this person. I know that this is the right path for me to take. I don't know this is the path I'm meant to take. And instead of trying to work out whether it's the path, whether it's the decision, whether it's the choice to make in that moment, if it's an I don't know, the full stop is enough. You can let go having to work it out. You can let go having to overanalyze or ruminate and overthink about that decision where you're likely placing the pressure on yourself to make it. And instead, you sit in the space of I don't know and trust that when you need to know, you will. Now, some people say, but what about if there's a time limit on me making that decision, or there's a time limit on that choice being available? Well, that's okay. Sit in the I don't know until that moment comes. And then when the moment comes, ask the question again. And if it's an I know at that point, then go for it. If it's an I don't know, then my guess is it's likely not the right path for you to follow in that moment. I know and I don't know. Trust that you have all the wisdom, the knowledge, and the inner guidance that will help you move in the direction that your soul wishes you to travel in any moment. You simply have to slow down, calm the mind, and ask that one simple question. I know or I don't know. Have fun testing this out. See what happens when you sit in the space of I don't know and you let go of that pressure to make a decision. You'll no doubt feel more peaceful. You'll no doubt feel more balanced. And without doubt, you'll begin to see that life and choices begin to flow very naturally. Listen, have an awesome day. I hope you've loved this video. If so, please subscribe, and I look forward to connecting again soon. Take care. Bye-bye. If you liked this video and you would love to see more, then please subscribe to my channel. I'll be releasing 2 to 3 videos per week, and I would love for you to join me. Also, click the button on the screen if you want to see more content right now. Have an awesome day.